Hi everyone, let's understand the problem of collision in frequency encoding. It happens when two different cities have the same number of counts, they look identical, and model also got understand that they are same. In that situation, how you will be fixing? With the help of mean encoding and ranking, you can fix it. What you can do, you can replace the count of Mumbai and Delhi with their average target value. Like if Mumbai pays bill at 80% of time and Delhi pays its bill 20% of time, what you can do, you can replace the Mumbai with zero point 0.8 and replace the Delhi with zero point 0.2. You can see in this table, Mumbai frequency is 5,000 and Delhi frequency is also 5,000. And their target count for Mumbai is 2 and target count for Delhi is 1. So the value and mean encoding value for Mumbai is zero point 0.8 and Delhi for is zero point 0.2. So that is mean encoding. Now let's understand ranking. How ranking can help in frequency encoding whenever there is a collision problem. So let's assume Mumbai has 5,000 count and Delhi has also 5,000 count. So in that case, model understand that both the city has same value and they are contributing to our model in the same manner. So in that case, what you can do, you can give the ranking to both of them on the basis of alphabet wise. Like Delhi, you can give one rank and Mumbai, you can give two rank. And also there is a one more case when frequency encoding is failing where you can use your ranking criteria. Like Mumbai appears 1 million times and Delhi appears 2 million times. So in that case, placing the Mumbai value with 1 million, you are giving a very big value to your column. Now in this case, you can give the ranking to Mumbai and Delhi. Now you can give a rank of Delhi to 1 and you can give the rank to Mumbai as 2. So that's it for this year. This is what I was thinking to explain you regarding the frequency encoding, mean encoding and ranking. Stay tuned up for next data science interview question.